guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I will do another tutorial using the Sleek Eye Divine A New Day palette, which I absolutely love. I already did one tutorial on it, and I think this is an absolutely perfect little travel palette because there are so many neutral colours and some adventurous colours that, whoops, I definitely just stuck a finger in one of them, that you can definitely take from a daytime to a nighttime look. In today's video, I'm going to be playing around with some of the more shimmery shades as well as maybe incorporating a liner into it. As always, I have done my face makeup off camera, so we're going to go straight into the makeup look we are going for today. And I've just realised that my camera is about to flash red, so I'm going to zoom through this quite quickly. The shade I'm going to be going with today is this one right here. I'm going to use this 17 brush, and I'm going to be swirling that around in the palette. And I'm just going to be applying this as a wash all over my lid. Now that is definitely a much better shimmery shadow, because the last one that I did when I applied it dry was quite a chalky and under pigmented one, but I would definitely say that this is definitely a much more pigmented shadow, and this is a really nice buttery formula as well. And this is a great one that I could do if I wanted to just do a wash of colour all over my eyelid. I'm going to go in with a little bit of that shade here, which is this one, and I'm going to be just basically working that on top of what we've just done. And finally, I'm going to go in with a little bit of this colour right here, just to apply as a wash in my outer corner. And there you go, guys. Here is another simple eyeshadow look that you could put together using the Sleek A New Day Adventure eyeshadow palette. I'm really looking forward to taking this with me on holiday, because there is definitely a lot of colours in there that I would wear for if I was doing like a little relaxing day out, or if I wanted to do this to go to a restaurant. I'm really looking forward to playing with this. This looks like this greeny gold colour here, so we shall see how that comes out. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash the thumbs up button and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you all very soon for another video. Thanks for watching.